I've lived in Tarpon Springs since I was 6 years old, and my husband and I are now raising our 3 children here. There's truly no place we'd rather call home. Growing up in Tarpon Springs, I've watched the evolution of our hospital, and I'm so proud to now work at AdventHealth North Pinellas and be a part of the story. From leading-edge technology and new facilities to health and wellness programs, our foundation is dedicated to growing our hospital and elevating patient care. We are so excited to be a part of the hospital's lobby renovation. The lobby is many people's first impression of the hospital, and our new space will provide a comfortable and safe place for everyone.
AdventHealth North Pinellas is dedicated to patient satisfaction, quality care, and the health and wellness of our community. Despite challenges throughout the pandemic, the prestigious Leapfrog Group has continued to recognize us as one of the safest hospitals in the United States. For the last 9 years, we've been awarded a Grade A, making us the longest-running Leapfrog Grade A hospital in Tampa Bay. Our achievement to excellence isn't possible without the expertise of our medical team. They are making life-saving breakthroughs every day. For us, it's just as important that every inch of our environment matches the exceptional services our teams provide. Our new lobby won't just be a place for guests and loved ones to wait. It'll provide an inviting, beautiful space for people to congregate. This includes a reflection lounge designed to help people relax and renew their energy. The lounge also features a community-inspired painting by renowned and local artist Christopher Still. Beautiful and historic Tarpon Springs is an incredible representation of our community's rich history, and we can't wait for it to be enjoyed by all who come through our doors.
When COVID-19 first hit, my father, Andreas Salaveras, received life-saving care at AdventHealth North Pinellas. It was heartbreaking not to be able to be in a room with him during that time. But the North Pinellas care teams made sure that my dad felt like family for every minute he was in their care. It brings me comfort to know that if a loved one has a medical emergency or needs any kind of health care, that we have a world-class hospital in our backyard. We are so grateful for the donors who support AdventHealth North Pinellas and who have already helped make our new lobby possible. For those inspired to learn more and become a part of our story, I'd welcome the opportunity to meet soon. Thank you.